AERO is a club on campus at UVM filled with a bunch of motivated students that like to design and build things. What they build is hybrid electric race cars, and they compete against other schools internationally.
When I first started, there was 3 electric vehicles registered. Now there's 25 vehicles registered.
There were teams from Turkey and India. It was just like a sight to see.
AERO has been a great experience. It's something I'd wanted to do ever since I decided I'd be coming to UVM. You get assigned 1 or 2 things to do, but you really help out with everything. I've helped set up the braking system, run control wires, set up all the electrical systems for the safety systems in the car. Everyone's got multiple projects, and we're all doing a ton of work to get this thing running before competition.
You have kind of this opportunity to demonstrate your technical knowledge and the confidence in your design and your vehicle to these professionals, who have been doing it for 30 years.
Whenever I've been out for an interview or talking to potential employers, I have AERO as a pretty thick line on my resume.
Teamwork, money management, time management skills, engineering, technical design, all of it.
I feel like students don't really use those skills until they have to later on in their classes, but I get to use them, every day.
We are the students that apply to those entry-level positions with 3 years prior experience, because we've got 3 years prior experience building things.
We accept all majors. Anyone who wants to get involved can get involved.
AERO has opened so many doors for me, both professionally and socially, both with hands-on learning experiences and the opportunities to get internships at other companies, meet other employers, and really learn the most I possibly could about engineering. AERO's been the best thing that could have happened to me in college.